The board-certified immigration attorney Jack Kim. Trump became the president, and the Congress is now in control by Republicans. And how would this change impact immigrants and immigration laws? That's what I'm going to talk about, and I'm going to give you a bit of suggestions. You know, Trump started with his candidacy for presidency with his anti-immigration rhetoric. He said, let's build a wall and let's kick out those 11 undocumented people out of our country. So it is a matter of concern. And this is a couple of things that he said he's going to do. First, he said he's going to cancel Obama's DACA plan, Obama's executive order that protects young people who came to this country at early age, giving them permission to work and get a driver license. Trump said he's going to cancel that. So that's a matter of concern. And also Trump said that he's going to get rid of all the sanctuary cities, you know, cities that let the illegal people can leave and work. He said he's going to get rid of all sanctuary cities. And also he said he's going to get rid of all the federal state benefits for the young people who are in college. Because if you're an illegal person, but if you go through high school here, you can go to college, like state like Texas, Florida, or California. You can go to college and you can get in-state tuition. But Trump said he's going to get rid of all that. So that's a matter of concern. Another concern is that he's going to do E-Verify program. He's going to enforce E-Verify program. What E-Verify program is that he's going to make sure employer would check your immigration status before they can hire you. And if they fail to do that, you know, he said he's going to penalize the employers. And I think he should start with his own company. And I know that he hires a lot of undocumented Mexicans as well. Lastly, he said he's going to deport 11 million people. I don't know how this is going to work out because currently, you know, we are deporting about 300,000 people through immigration court, and it takes about 3 years to go through this immigration court system. To deport 11 million people would take 30 years. So this is not logistically, this is not possible. Toward the end of his candidacy, he took a very soft tone on immigration, on this issue. He said, I'm going to, you know, kick them out, but I'm going to let them come in as soon as possible. I think he's talking about waiver. Waiver means, you know, you're asking for forgiveness for staying here illegally, but once you are forgiven, you can go out of this country and come back with proper visas to come in so that you can cure your illegal entry. So I feel that the waiver program will be expanded and streamlined. And here are a couple of suggestions that you can do. If you're a permanent resident, I want to encourage you to become citizen right away so that you don't ever have to worry about being deported. Second, for the people who are undocumented, especially young people who are undocumented, be extremely careful not get entangled with the law enforcement because that's going to be they're going to enforce that. As long as you get somehow issue with the law enforcement, you're going to get referred to ICE and you will be in deportation proceeding. So be careful. And also, if you get involved with the criminal issues, do not just consult the criminal attorneys, consult with the immigration attorneys because your immigration consequence would be far greater. And also, if you are currently serving probation or just finished probation, be wise about your conduct so that you wouldn't be selected for ICE detention or arrest for deportation. And also, lastly, for any reason, if you are involved in removal proceeding, consult with the immigration attorney so that you may have some kind of relief available for you. So do not just give up. Consult with the immigration attorney so that we can find a relief for you. And sometimes we can win, sometimes we lose. Even if we lose, we can buy time by appealing the decision to a Board of Immigration Appeal. And we can take like 3 or 4 years of time. In the meantime, immigration law can change. And then you may find a way or find a relief in the new immigration laws. So be hopeful And any question regarding, any concerns regarding these issues, you can stop by our website, www.igetdream.com. Thank you.